Hey, if you wonder how you can turn on or off Hey Google on the Redmi A3, all you have to do is just to scroll down and move into the settings. We have to actually go into the Google. Sorry for this one. We have to find the Google application. Now we have to click on the right upper corner. Select Settings. From this you have to scroll until you find Google Assistant. Then select Hey Google and the voice match. And now to turn on or off the Hey Google, you have to just click on the switcher. And if you want to turn it on, you will have to actually click More, tap I agree, and after you click agree right here, you will get this circle and you have to say few phrases into your phone to actually get this voice recognition enabled for the Hey Google. But in my case, I already set it up, so that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.